Hello everyone, welcome back to Mr. TECHFOX and Assalamu alaikum to everyone. Today I want to share some simple and helpful tips on how to play smart in FC Mobile 2025, even when you face players with much higher OVR. So let's get started. Listen carefully, I'm not a pay-to-win player, I'm a free-to-win player and I know what to do. Most players in FC Mobile are free-to-win too. They don't want to spend money on the game. So honestly, if you follow these tips, they can really change your game. Trust me bro, just trust me and try these tips and you will see your gameplay improve, okay? Just do it. First of all, let's be honest. If you ask me, can I beat every player in FC Mobile 2025? The simple answer is no bro, you can't. But why? Because EA controls the system. They watch how you play and set stronger opponents for you. So after you play well in 5 to 10 matches, the game will start putting you against tougher players. That's just how the game works. But don't worry, I'm here to help you with some secret tips. The first and foremost tip is be patient and don't rush. When you see your opponent has a higher OVR, that means they are stronger. So what should you do? Keep the ball at your feet and don't let them get it. Focus on short and safe passes. I really want to say this again. Keep the ball at your feet. Because when they get the ball, they become even more dangerous. Even if the match ends in a draw, 0-0, 2-2, it's okay. Your goal is to keep control and make them frustrated. If you watch real football like the World Cup, you will see top players passing the ball again and again to keep control. It's the same here bro. You must control the ball. Don't let the opponent control you. Now, sometimes strong players will still get their chances, no matter what you do. That's why you need to stay alert, watch their moves and stick to your passing plan. Remember, EA watches your style and matches you with smart opponents, so stay sharp. Here's another important tip. Don't aim to win every single match. Yeah bro, that's right. Don't aim to win every single match. Even the best players can't win all the time. The game is designed to challenge you. So, change your mindset. Enjoy the game, focus on ball control and focus on smart passing. And if you do this, you will have a more fun and better results. And yes, you are going to win too. But that's not our aim. So, what's the real secret? Passing bro, passing. That's it. The main secret is passing. Enjoy every moment while you play. Trust me, when you pass well, the chances will come, you will start to see open spaces, you will find chances to score, and you will feel more in control. Stay calm and don't get frustrated. That's the key. From my experience, my team isn't the strongest and my OVR isn't that high, but I have upgraded all my players to level 30. Even then, with smart passing, I can still play well. And so, can you? So remember this one thing, when you control the ball, you control the game. Just try to keep your passing accuracy around 90%. If you can do that, trust me, you are going to win more and enjoy the game a lot more. Thanks for watching. If this helped you, please consider subscribing to this channel, give it a like and share it with your friends and tell me in the comments what tricks works best for you. I'll see you in the next one, next rep. Allah Hafiz.